So we're basically running the same thing. Appliance repair. It's Southeast Indianapolis. And we're going to show you how we come up on the mobiles also from the Bluecraftsman. The Bluecraftsman is a double site where we have the mobile and the desktop search. And then we also have the app in there too. So we're going to go down. We're coming up. You can actually see appliance repair Southeast Indianapolis. There's the Google call, which is why it's really, really important for people to really look into our Google Places service. We're going down a little bit further on the mobile searching. You'll have to, my screen here has a couple of holes in it. There's the Bluecraftsman. We'll zoom in on that. There's the Bluecraftsman. There. So we're going to click on that. We'll give it a minute to load. Takes you right to the Bluecraftsman site. And the listings. So we'll go back here. So basically the Bluecraftsman is coming up on the mobile searches. And it's populating through to the mobile site. And it's bringing up the various different appliance pages here. And there's the map and the call number. You do other things on this. Is the mobile page here. So anyway, we just wanted to show that the Bluecraftsman web page is coming through into the mobile searches, and it is landing on the mobile site. Thank you.